Hi, I'm Kristen with Wildflowers and Fresh Food, and I wanted to show you today how to make Thai pickled shallots. So on my website you will find the lime pickled red onions, and they're super popular. We put them on everything Mexican. This is a much spicier version of a similar, it's a twist. So in this one we're going to use a shallot. This is a jumbo shallot. I hadn't seen these before. I saw it at the grocery store, so I grabbed this one since I want to use a lot of shallots. So this is probably equivalent to 2 or 3 of the smaller ones. Pull off some of this outer part. I had somebody call in or send in a video question of how to make ordinary food, weekday food, a little bit more special.
Hey Kristen! I absolutely love using your website and the free recipes and browsing your Instagram for inspiration to use in my own kitchen. Will and I use your fajita spice blend at least once a week, and we were wondering if you had any more spice blends for us that we could use. And we love the lime pickled onions, so we were wondering if you had any more, flavor enhancers to add to our meals. Thanks!
And this is one of my favorite go-tos. Putting something special, those pickled red onions that turn a brilliant purpley pink, these spicy shallots. These are the types of things that make a regular enchilada, regular taco, regular burrito extra, extra special. So you really just want to slice this thinly. So when I did it, when it was round, I do like how it makes those little rings. I think that's kind of pretty. So you can do it all like that, or as this one's really big, I started doing sort of these half moons. So it's totally fine. Like I said, there's really no right or wrong to this. You want to break them up a little bit so that all the flavors will get in there. And this is when you're going to want to start it about 20 minutes before you serve it, because you want all these flavors, they call it getting married, that you put them all in there and everything kind of marinates together. I'm going to add in a clove of garlic too. This is also a good condiment. I mentioned Mexican food, but it's great on Asian food. We made like rice noodle bowls recently, anything Asian flavored, a lot of stir fries. This is going to go great on eggs. It's great on everything. Just a little bit of sugar. Sometimes I leave that out, but officially you're supposed to add in some sugar and some salt. Salt brings out some really good flavor in there. Then we're going to put in a red Thai chili. These are hot, so sometimes I'll put them in for the color and for the flavor, but I will warn people not to actually eat them. So if you've got someone that loves that hot spicy bite, have them go for it, but you do probably want to warn everyone. Lime juice is going to be a great flavor in here, and vinegar. And then I'm just going to add in about a tablespoon or so of water. Mix that all up. I'm going to let it go for about 20 minutes. Like I said, all the flavors will combine. It's super delicious. It is spicy. It'll keep in the refrigerator for about a week or so. If it lasts that long, in our house we use it up before then, but like I said, any of your Asian dishes, your eggs, send in a note to me and let me know how you're using it. I love to hear from you. These are the Thai pickled shallots. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please subscribe to keep watching. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook, and I've got the website Wildflowers and Fresh Food. It's full of free recipes. Thanks for joining me today.